I am Steph Strickland with GeekWire Studios. We are here to talk about how wonderful gets done. Performance made flexible. I would like to introduce our panelist, Krista.
Hi, my name is Krista Satterthwaite, and I'm the Vice President and General Manager of Mainstream Compute at HPE. Thanks for having me.
HPE obviously has been very focused on digital transformation trends and some of the challenges that customers face. What's the latest on that effort?
With COVID-19, really exposed who was ready and who wasn't when it came to digital transformation. Many customers had to scramble to set up remote workforces, to set up remote classrooms, to be able to take digital orders, digital appointments, and we helped a lot of customers with that. And the truth is customers are still struggling. Many of them had to stand up things quickly, maybe not the ideal solution set up for them, so they're going back and perfecting that. And many of them had projects they just had to put on hold because they had to prioritize other things through the pandemic. So at HPE, we have a mission to help customers accelerate their digital transformation. So we're really focused on three things when it comes to that. Making sure we have the right systems and solutions for customers. And this is where we are making sure that we're optimizing our portfolio, our server portfolio for particular workloads. And so customers can get the most out of that workload. So this is where our new generation of servers comes in. So we have HPE Gen 10 Plus that will be coming out and shipping soon. And we're excited because that's going to deliver a next level of performance to our customers to get them more out of their infrastructure. And with that, these servers will feature the third generation Intel Xeon Scalable processor. And that fits right into our strategy of making sure that we have the absolute best performance for customers. Now, the second thing we're focused on is providing the solution expertise between the reference architectures, the best practices, the sizing guides, and our advisory services. We can really help customers decide which workloads and which solutions they need. And we partner with our ISVs to make sure we have the right partnerships in place to help customers with any solution they're looking for. And then thirdly, delivering it securely. That is definitely a very important part of all of this and one of our most important focus areas. Now, luckily, we have many options when it comes to acquiring our hardware. We have it available as a service to give a cloud-like experience on-prem. Or we have financial arrangements that can help customers. So what we're seeing is that a lot of customers had budget, and that budget's not there anymore because of the struggles over the last year. So what we have are creative financing options to help customers. I'll mention a few of them here. So somebody that wants to adopt the Gen 10 Plus, but they don't have the cash right now, they could take advantage of HPE Technology Refresh. And what that is if you have some older equipment, what you can do is change from owning it to making payments on it, and then you can free up that extra financial capacity and buy the new equipment that you need. The next one is extended deployment. So many customers, they want to do a really big deployment, but they don't have all the money up front, but they want to get all the work done at once. So this allows you to order everything, get it in place, and you only pay when you turn it on. And the warranty starts when you turn it on, and you have up to 12 months to do that. So we have these really great programs to help people take advantage of the latest and greatest technology.
Security has been a key element in the HPE portfolio. So anything new from HPE to further protect customers?
Yes, we have a holistic view of security. It begins with our supply chain through the entire operational life and concludes with a safeguarded end of life. And so when it comes to security, there are a few new things. With the third gen Intel Xeon Scalable processors, it includes Intel SGX, which protects data and application code. And then next, running more secure workloads with TPM 2.0 as a standard offering. So this helps with end-to-end protection and policy reinforcement. And then self-encrypting drives. This helps with compliance and worldwide data protection laws. And then lastly, zero touch provisioning and in a zero trust framework, which provides automation for compute using industry standards. So we're really excited about bringing even more into our security offering. It has been a focus for us for quite a while, and we continue to innovate in this area.
I want to circle back to something you mentioned earlier in a previous comment. You were talking about customers and helping them to build and then manage their infrastructure in a cloud-like experience that HPE can then consume like a cloud experience. This is part of that everything as a service concept that you mentioned, yes?
That's right. We bring the cloud experience to customers with HPE Greenlight. It's something that a lot of customers are really interested in, and this is how it works. We work really closely with the customer to understand what their workload need is, and then we recommend what infrastructure solution they need. We put it at their site or at a colo, and they only pay for what they use. And as we're setting that up, we work really closely with them to make sure that we build in extra capacity so they have room to grow and scale up. And instead of, placing another order and waiting for the equipment to come in, they can do it really, really quickly. And then they can see everything through our HPE Greenlake Central, and they can see their usage, their cost performance, compliance, and we can manage this for them. So they can turn over the monitoring and management over to us and help kind of offload them. And I'll tell you a little story. First time I presented GreenLake to a room full of customers, I had never had so many customers come up to me afterwards trying to figure out how they can get what I was just talking to them about. So again, really, really popular. Customers are really excited about it.
That's how you know when the work is paying off. Krista, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. And you can check out more at Intel's Partner Pavilion at the URL you see on your screen. And that's how wonderful gets done.